Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find a reset phone option, and as you can see at the very top we've got the Wi-Fi settings, so let's tap. Here your device is informing you that it will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, so if you are ready, tap on reset. And as you can see, basically that's all. Be aware that probably if you've got the screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.